Hey there, welcome to another episode of Tips and Tech Talk. I am your host, Ron. And today we're going to talk about new FAA rules for drone pilots. So I was preparing for the shoot, getting the set right, and Bailey said, I have to go to the bathroom. Well, she didn't say that, but she told me with her eyes. The FAA has mandated that all drones must have their ID visible from the outside of the aircraft, and that's mandatory. Previously, it was strongly suggested, sorry, Bailey's turning me around, strongly suggested that you have your ID on your drone, but there was no specification of where. Well, they've made that clear. Boom, your drone ID number has to be visible from the outside of the drone, and that is effective February 23rd. She's a little bit too cavalier on this ice. Make no mistake, it's icy out here. Another issue I want to talk about is a question that's often asked online. I see it all the time from realtors. They want to know, when I get my drone pictures or video, does the pilot have to be a licensed pilot? Yes. I've made video about it. Others have made videos about it. If you're using drone footage, pictures or video in the pursuance of business, which you're doing, listing a home, trying to earn money, the person capturing the content has to be a UA certified pilot by the FAA. Now in the past, you haven't heard a lot about too many people being punished or penalized or fined, but legislation passed a few months ago by President Trump. It's going to give the FAA teeth. It's going to give them It's going to give the FAA teeth. It's going to give them resources. Are they going to go after somebody, a real estate agent, who may or may not use a licensed drone pilot? Maybe, maybe not. But just imagine if your person is up collecting content for you, for your listing, and something happens. Ignorance is not going to be an excuse, especially if people get hurt. Plus, I don't know why a realtor would want to do it themselves or have their nephew do it. I mean, you hate when people list houses on their own, right? Why wouldn't you hire a professional to get your drone footage? Just makes good sense. So a couple things to take away from this video. February 23rd, if you're going to fly your drone, you must have the ID on the outside visible on the drone. FAA.gov, go there until March 15th to leave your comments, suggestions, because they are asking for public comment. So go give your 2 cents, FAA.gov. So there you have it. Hope you learned something in this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like icon. Share it with your friends. Also go to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And of course, go to my website, ronrobinsonstudios.com. Thanks for watching. I thank you. Bailey thanks you. And we'll see you next time right here for another episode of Tips and Tech Talk. Bye-bye. Come on, babe. I mean, seriously, look at that ice.